Hello, YouTube. I'm in Bridgeton, New Jersey. Before Hurricane Joaquin hits, or some may say Joaquin. Joaquin or whatever.
Yo,
Well,
I think my face was in there.
I don't think so. You can't see me. Anyways, we're at my friend Jamie's car. Today is the first day of October.
October 1st, 2015.
Yeah, 2015. Yeah, we're just chilling. There's really not much to do. I'm with my BFF, Jamie Rizzo, and my BFF, Louis Var. You can't even see much, because my phone is crappy unless I put the light on. Anyways, bye YouTube. Enjoy my daily vlogs starting today.